Here are the 5 key differences between the MMS and PGDM programs that are offered by colleges within Maharashtra. The first difference is in terms of credibility. MMS has more credibility compared to PGDM purely because it's a master's degree. The second key difference is in terms of the batch profile that exists. So PGDM will have a more diverse batch profile because the institute has more control. The third key difference is in terms of the curriculum. PGDM in general will have a more updated, more flexible curriculum compared to MMS programs which are under the purview of the university. The fourth key difference you can say in terms of placements, so there isn't a major difference as such in terms of placements, but because people undergo a GDPI round while getting into the PGDM program, aspirants in general will be more polished when it comes to the PGDM program. And the fifth key difference is in terms of the expense that you have to incur when you are enrolling for these programs. PGDM programs in general tend to be more expensive compared to the corresponding MMS programs. For more details on the difference between the PGDM and MMS programs, you can check out the links in the comments and in the bio.